Forget financial fear. 3 simple methods. Spend guilt-free, track every dollar, or go old school with cash. Can turn money stress into money success. Your perfect budget isn't a myth, it's a match waiting to happen. Managing money isn't about restriction. It's about empowerment. The right budgeting method acts as a blueprint, transforming your income into a tool for building the life you want. First, the 50-30-20 rule. It's the balanced framework, ideal for beginners. The core principle is to divide your after-tax income into 3 categories. 50% for needs like rent and groceries, 30% for wants like dining out and hobbies, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. If your needs exceed 50%, it's a clear signal to adjust your finances. Next, zero-based budgeting. This is for the purposeful planner. The core principle: give every dollar a job so your income minus expenses equals 0. You list your income, list all expenses, and assign every dollar. This method offers unparalleled awareness of your cash flow. Finally, the envelope system. It's perfect for curbing impulse spending. Use cash for variable spending categories like groceries and entertainment. Withdraw your budgeted amount, put it in labeled envelopes, and when an envelope is empty, spending stops. How to choose? For stress-free structure, start with the 50-30-20 rule. For total control, embrace zero-based budgeting. For curbing impulse spending, try the envelope system. The best budget is the one you'll stick to. Experiment and find the system that turns budgeting from a chore into a channel for your financial confidence. Your money should work for you, not the other way around. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.